It is the DMV Weave Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. Below we have a beautiful hair loss warrior. She has been dealing with alopecia for the last 20 years. She is in need of her new hair weave, honey. And look at her. Now we have installed her Virgin Indian hair wefts, which she has purchased from us on purevirginmaine.com. Oh, all right now. Huh. She's almost done. Okay. We applied her frontal. This is great for women who have frontal alopecia. And we have gave her a nice soft Biolage ombre. All right. Plateau. Doesn't she look amazing? She is going to automatically take about 10 or 15 years off of her hair. Now, as you see, some of the ends got a little tangled because we did color, so you can always get more treatments. Please schedule at mainattractionshair.com.